Meaning of haematite.
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 Haematite. Haematite, or hematite, is a mineral composed of iron oxide, and it is the most important ore of iron. Its name is derived from the Greek word haema, which means blood, due to its reddish-brown color when in powdered form. Haematite can occur in various forms including botryoidal, oolitic, and kidney-shaped formations, and it is often used as a pigment in paints and as a polishing agent. It is also believed to have metaphysical properties, such as grounding and promoting focus and concentration.